Hello students, today our topic is twin board. For that we require one origami paper. If you have a one side color paper and one side white paper, then you have to keep the white paper up. Then you have to fold from the middle so you will get the rectangle shape. Give the crease properly. You have to corner edge to edge. You have to mesh the paper, then you have to give the crease. Now unfold it. Now till middle line we have to fold the paper from both the side like this way, and we have to give the crease. Now from here also till middle line we have to fold the paper and we have to give the crease. Now turn this paper. Now fold from the middle like this way and give the crease. Corner to corner, edge to edge. You have to keep the paper like this way, then you have to give the crease. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. Now unfold it. Now till middle line you have to fold the paper from both the side like this way and you have to give the crease. Again you have to the same thing, you have to do it from other side. Till middle line you have to fold the paper and you have to give the crease. Now you have to fold this paper. You can see the 4 squares are there. Now we have to fold the paper like this. So you have to put our finger inside and we have to press it, so you will get the triangle shape. From here also put your finger inside and press the paper like this way. From here also put your finger inside, hold the paper like this way and press it, so you will get the triangle shape over here. From here also the same thing. Put your finger inside and press it like this way. Now we have to fold from the middle like this way. Fold the paper from middle like this way. So our twin board is ready. Our twin board is ready. Can you see it? Twin board, double board. So you have to give the background and you have to stick on it. Thank you.